Round 25, you have to count your 3 chain space and single crochet, and this cluster you have 78 3 chain and 78 single crochet and 29 cluster. For close round 25, after the last cluster, we make a slip stitch into very first single crochet we had here, a single crochet if you remember. So slip stitch. Now round 25 is finished. Round 26. For this round I want to work in 3 chain space, so I move here with a slip stitch. Now a chain and a single crochet into same place. We want to make V shape in this round, like another round we had before here, V shape. We had a marker here. We want to work around this single crochet we marked before. So a quadruple crochet around this, then chain 1 and a triple crochet. A quadruple like this around this single crochet we marked 1. We keep with finger this 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now a chain, now a triple into this first crochet of this quadruple. We want to make a triple into these 2 loop. Now a triple. Now a single crochet into next 3 chain, 3 chain, a single crochet into next 3 chain. Now a V shape into this single crochet we have here into round 23. It's free single crochet, we didn't work on it and it's free. Okay, a quadruple crochet here around the single crochet. 1, we keep 1, 2, 3 and 4, a chain, a triple into this 1 crochet we had in here. Into this we make a triple. Now a single crochet into 3 chain space, 3 chain, a single crochet into next 3 chain space and another V shape into next single crochet in round 23. And we continue this pattern until we finish this round, and I come back here. For close round 26, last 3 chain, we do a chain and a double crochet into very first single crochet, and round 26 is finished and we are middle of this 3 chain space. Before you go for 27, for round 27, you have to count your V shape, single crochet and 3 chain space in this round. 39 V shape, 39 3 chain space and 78 single crochet you have here. Round 27, a single crochet into same 3 chain space, 3 chain, 1, 2, 3. We want to make popcorn into V shape, so 5 double crochet, then a popcorn into V shape. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now a popcorn. After every popcorn we make 4 chain. 1, 2, 3, 4. A single crochet into next 3 chain space. Now another 3 chain. 1, 2, 3. Another popcorn into next V shape. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 double crochet and a popcorn. Now 4 chain. 1, 2, 3, 4. A single crochet into next 3 chain space. Now 3 chain. 1, 2, 3, and another popcorn into next V shape, and we continue this pattern until we finish this round, and I come back here